Good morning. You join me at the crack of dawn. It's about 5:45 in the morning, 5:30. We're jumping on the bike. We're heading off to Sublime Designs. It's about a 2.5 hour ride for me, so I need to get going. Bike's going to go in for the transformation. I've spoken about this in my videos for a couple of weeks now, so we're finally here. It's going to happen. We're going to make it happen. I'm going to head off there now, so let's go. So we are here at Sublime Designs. So after a 2.5 hour journey on the bike, fairly cold and windy, I am here. The bike is in the process of being wrapped. It looks amazing. It's not going to be to everyone's taste, but you know, it's to mine, and that's all that matters. It's going to look completely different to anything else on the road, and that is why I've come to Sublime, and that is what they do, and they're perfectionists. So let's go inside and we'll take a look around, and yeah, we'll meet the guys. So here we are inside Sublime Designs. I'll take you round on a little tour. So there's a pretty cool trike here hidden behind the sofa. We've got some memorabilia and some helmets around the place. So they don't just do bike livery, they also do helmets, and you can have your boots custom wrapped as well. And they also do embroidery. So you've got caps, woolly hats, hoodies. So if you need any embroidery done, you can hit them up, and I'm sure they'll be willing to help you. Great guys here. You got Levi, Dale and Terry, who have already made me some cups of tea this morning, warmed me up after my journey. Some pretty cool bits up here, some damaged fairings. Levi tells me most of them are his. But I've seen him ride and he's a pretty handy rider, so I'm not sure whether to believe that or not. Ryan Vickers, British Superbike rider. Dell, round 4 clearways, 2019, Ryan Vickers, that's pretty cool. So as I say, the boots, custom boots made. I'll get Levi to give us a rundown on what they do and what makes them different from anybody else that does wraps or liveries. But to be fair, this is a great bunch of guys, and I know they're very popular on the British Superbike and racing scene. Obviously follow them on Instagram, that's Sublime Designs. So if you want to go and check them out on Instagram, I'll drop their handle on this page and also in the description. But yeah, Dell has kindly let me have a wander around, and that was spotted in the window, a mint Cub 90. What a legendary bike that is. My dad had one of these, but I think he had the Cub 50, not the Cub 90. It wasn't geared, but what a legendary bike that is. Now, you would not believe that this Cub 90 has only done 15,000 miles. That is mental. What a legendary bike that goes down in folklore. Dell, I want your Cub 90. Some more cool memorabilia up here. This is where they do a lot of their embroidery. So as I say, if you want any embroidery done on caps, etc., hit up Sublime Design, Sublime Moto Wrap. They can cater for all of your needs: t-shirts, hoodies, jackets, caps, woolly hats. So the bike is being wrapped in there. I'm conscious not to show you too much of it because I don't want to give it away, but they're hard at work on the bike in there, and that's where the magic happens. They also have their printing and plotting machine out the back here, but again, I'll get Levi to run us through that once they're finished, because I know they're flat out and they're busy at the moment, fully booked. But yeah, I'll run through the process of how I came to actually getting here today. So the process is really straightforward to get booked in here at Sublime. So it's all on the website, and I'll drop them in the description below, the website, and I'll also put a link on the page here so you can just check it out yourself. But essentially what you do is you select a date that they have available. They're very booked up, so you will have to check what date they have in their calendar. You will then book and pay a deposit. On that page itself, you can send over some design ideas, anything that you've seen that you might want. If it's just a replica of a GP bike or something like that, then you can obviously send that over. And then what they do is you get booked in, they will start doing your design, but they will contact you before your day of arrival, and they will just confirm any other details while they're going through the design, send over a few proofs. If you want to make some changes, you can do. And essentially then what they do is they go ahead and print the stickers so that they're all printed and plotted, ready for when you arrive, and then you just drop your bike in and they apply it while you wait. So it's a really smooth and easy process. Everything's detailed on the website, as I said, and I'll drop that below. But yeah, great bunch of guys, and it's so smooth. So I'm gonna head back in there, but yeah, Levi, I'm sure, will talk us through a bit of the process and what makes them different from all the other wrapping companies in the UK. This is how good they are at Sublime. Not only did they throw a hat in, while the bike's being wrapped, I didn't bring any lunch with me, stupidly. So Del, the owner of Sublime Design, has kindly lended me his car to pop to the shops and go and get some lunch. What a top guy, and that is the sort of service that you just don't get anywhere else. Del, you're a legend. So here is the completed bike, and my goodness, am I happy with that. You can't even tell what bike it is, and it just pops. The colors, the fluoro, the advice from the guys here on designing this, I've taken it all on board and let them sort of use their artistic flair, their artistic license to sort of go ahead and just design something one-off and crazy. And my goodness, look at this. They have done an absolutely amazing job, and I genuinely cannot recommend Sublime Designs enough. Lovely bunch of guys, plenty of cups of tea made during the day, and look at that finished product. The attention to detail is second to none. It's just such a great service. I'm so happy with the bike, and yeah, this is going to feature a hell of a lot more, and I'm pretty sure we'll catch a few eyes and I'll be asked a fair few questions. But as I said at the start of the video, I'll put all the links to their website, their Instagram in the description. Go and check them out, guys. Honestly, it's so professional, and you cannot get this service anywhere else in the UK. It simply is one-off and second to none. Go and check them out. Massive thanks to Levi, massive thanks to Del, and massive thanks to Terry for all the cups of tea. So yeah, cheers guys, amazing. I'm so happy with it. Superb job.